So as you are aware, the report of the expert committee on the state reservation policy was tabled in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on the 18th of February 2026. During the course of those proceedings, Honorable CM had made a statement in the House that all the political parties will be called to seek their views and consultations and to present basically the findings of the report. As you know, this report has already been tabled in the House, already been shared with the press. All of you know the recommendations. So they appreciated the fact that the government has called them, as Honorable Chief Minister had said that this will happen. And Honorable CM also directed that copies of this report should be given to all of them, and if required, further consultations will be held with others.
The status quo, everybody agreed. So, will there be any further meetings or party, or this is the first and last?
All the political parties attended, except one. So, I don't think there is a need for any other meeting. Some political parties may also give further suggestions after they go through the report. So, we have requested them to go through the report in detail. It's a voluminous report. We have presented, obviously, in 1 hour time. You can present only the main issues, the legal position, the constitutional position, since a lot of the issues dealt with the constitutional law issue or the legal issue. And these were presented to the political parties, and all of them greatly appreciated the fact that the government had called them, and we had made this presentation to the political parties.
So VPP fought for review of reservation policy, and the report is ready. Why they did not attend?
So they gave in writing that they'll not be able to attend, but you should ask them that. They of course informed us that they'll not be attending. We had invited all the political parties, but as to why they didn't attend, I think that question you have to ask them. Thank you.
Thank you.